Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about how to use a frequency table, and we're in chapter 12, section C. There's just one example in this section, and I just need to write out some data. So we're playing tennis, and it's number of aces and then frequency are the two data points. Types of data that we're looking at. Once again, this table might be a little bit easier to read. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It might be easier to read if you look in your book. But just in case you don't have your book handy, there's all that data. Okay, so we're going to find the mean, median, and mode from this frequency table. So what this is saying is the table below shows the number of aces served by a sample of tennis players in their first set of a tournament. So if there are 4 people that got 1 ace, 2 people that got 11 aces, 3 people that got 18, I'm reading that backwards. There were 4 people who got 1 ace, 11 people who got 2 aces, 18 people got 3 aces, 13 people got 4 aces, 7 people got 5 aces, and 2 people got 6 aces. So if we were to write this out, we would actually write 1, 1, 1, 1, and then we write 2, 2, 2, 2, 11 times, and then we'd write 3, 3, 18 times, etc. Okay, I'm not going to do that. We're just going to use the frequency table to help us, but that's just, hopefully that all made sense. So first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to write it out a little bit different. So number of aces. So we're just going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to write out the frequency. So we're going to say 4, 11, 18, 13, 7, 2. Okay, we got frequency. And then from here we can do a number of things. Total helps, definitely. So if we were to add all these numbers right here, we'd end up with 55. And then having a cumulative frequency might help us as well. But you can go through the example in the book if you like how they do it better. I think this is all the information we need. We'll see if I come back to this. But if we're doing the mean, we just need the sum, which is right here. We just added that up. So we just need 55. And then we just need to know how many, whoops, I messed that up, sorry. What am I trying to say? So the total is 55 participants. If I wrote this out like I did in the yellow, I would have 55 data points. Now, I also need the sum. So if I was to add 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, all those 2's. So to do that, just multiplying. So this would be like the product. I guess I do want the stuff that they put in their table. I take it back. So we're going to go 4, 22, 18 times 3. It's going to be 54. 4 times 13 is 52, and then 35 and 12. Okay, so if we add those up, we get 179. And so that's what the top of this is going to be. Because what this is saying is we had 4 people who got 1 ace, so that totals 4 aces. And then we had 11 people that got 2 aces, so that's a total of 22 aces. 18 people got 3 aces, so that's 54 aces. So we want to know the total number of aces, and that's what this 179 is. And so if we do 179 divided by 55, 179 divided by 55 is 3.25. So the mean is 3.25 aces. Okay? Now the next thing they want us to find, actually gonna take this away for a second. They want us to find the median. So the way we're going to do the median, we're just going to look at the frequency and figure out where the middle is. So if there's 55 points, what we're going to do is we're just going to take 55 add 1 to it, and then divide it by 2. So that's going to be 28. So we want to count 28 into this. So we're going to say 4 plus 11, that'd be 13, so we're still not there. 13 plus 18 is going to be 31. Now we know that if we add up 13, we're still in the 2s, but if we get all the way to 31, then we're in the 3s, and so the mean must be, we're one of these 18. So once again, if we listed all of these out like I did in yellow, then the middle number is going to be one of the 3s. And so the mean, or the median, is equal to 3. Okay? And then the last thing is the mode for the data. And the mode is just the one that shows up the most. So on a frequency plot, it's really easy. So the 18, which goes to the 3. So once again, the mode is 3. Okay, I think maybe that's it for this section. Yep. If you need additional help, come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.